Ability to perform DCSync attack is a prerequisite step toward compromising the entire domain. To perform DCSync attack, an attacker needs to compromise an account which was granted permissions to replicate password hashes. Replicating directory changes doesn't allow replication of hashes, but it's a prerequisite for replicating directory changes override, which allows replication of hashes. Replicating directory changes in filtered set allows replication of filtered attribute set for read-only DCs and doesn't include hashes. Replication synchronization includes hashes and allows for a full AD synchronization to be initiated manually. By default, members of the group's administrators, domain and enterprise administrators, domain controllers, and exchange servers are able to perform a full AD synchronization, including hashes. Common services, which require full AD synchronization, including hashes, are Azure AD Connector, Microsoft Identity Manager, Exchange, Riverbed, Oracle Internet Directory, and so on. SharePoint normally requires only replicating directory changes right, which doesn't allow replication of hashes. An attacker could compromise a privileged user and then use pass the hash attack to a DC and replicate credentials from Active Directory to the compromised host, using the Directory Replication Service Remote Protocol. The most common target of DCSync attack is KRB TGT account, which is a mid-step toward a golden ticket. We can use intrusion detection system to monitor DC's network traffic and alert on ds-get-nc change requests packets coming from non-DC hosts. We should evaluate and remove directory replication permissions if they are not required, and also monitor and alert on changes of these permissions. Here we see administrators group was granted all 4 of them. The local admin account from the Windows server, which was promoted to DC, is enabled and is a member of this group by default. We should disable it if not required. Here we see replication permissions granted to domain admins and Exchange servers group, and to SharePoint synchronization account.